Formed 2 days ago. 4-piece indie shoegaze band that started here in Brisbane on the JMC Academy campus, all out. Consisting of Gobi on rhythmic guitar, I like that, I'm going to use that from now on. Gobi on rhythm guitar, Daisy on drums, Ahara on bass, and Harry on both guitar and lead vocals, inspired by the indie rock New South Wales band The Skegs. Dying Roses brings an energetic and nostalgic vibe to their audience. Are we good to go, guys? How you feeling? Ready to rock? This is Dying Roses!
We got Tahara on the bass. We got Daisy on the drums. We got Gobi on rhythm guitar. Now, I want you guys to clap for me, alright? Ready? Woo!